This morphometric protocol allows monitoring of the intensity of blastocyst shrinkage and re-expansion during previtrification interventions and post-warming recovery, and provides insights into the effectiveness of various vitrification methods.
The main advantage of this technique is that it can be applied in vitro fertilization laboratories, equipped with time-lapse microscopes and computers with advanced image editing software.
On day 5 or 6 of expansion, subject a blastocyst with at least a few inner cell mass cells and a cohesive trophectoderm to a 0.4 to 0.7 millisecond laser pulse with a hole diameter ranging from 4.3 to 9.4 micrometers, tangentially directed at the zona pellucida and the junction of 2 adjacent trophectodermal cells. Then, allow the blastocele to fully or partially collapse for 5 minutes. Next, use a tiny pipette to aseptically add equilibration medium into the holes of the microdroplet area of a 9-well petri dish specially designed for time-lapse microscopy and recording. When all of the medium has been added, overlay the microdroplet area with approximately 30 microliters of equilibration medium, and submerge the laser-treated blastocyst in the equilibration medium in the bottom of 1 microdroplet well of the microdroplet dish. As soon as the blastocyst is transferred, start a countdown timer for 10 minutes. And transfer the